you have to do is put the old bobber on
quicker
than I put the EzOn Fishing Company's bobber on.
Okay.
You ready to do it?
Yep.
$10,000 on the line.
Okay.
Okay. Did you get the pun on the line?
Yeah, on the line.
Okay, you got it.
Yeah, you're good at the pop
I'm
jokes.
trying.
Yeah.
I'm trying.
Come
You
on.
count to 3, you say go, count
Five, go.
backwards. Oh, wow. Look at that. And you're good. Look at you. Woo! But you lost.
I lost. Thanks for playing.
That was really good.
You want me to do it again? I'll
No.
do it again.
You don't get another prize.